If you woke up this morning and saw this screen, please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed on sites like X, ChatGPT, or Canva. You are not alone. You have not been banned. Your computer is not broken. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed error. More importantly, I'll explain what is actually happening and the best things you can do right now in this massive outage. First, the most important thing to know is that this is a major, widespread internet outage. It's not just you. The entire internet is currently dealing with technical issues at a company called Cloudflare. Cloudflare provides security and infrastructure for a huge part of the web. This morning, a large-scale technical problem, what Cloudflare is calling widespread 500 errors, took down sites globally. We're talking about X, formerly Twitter, OpenAI, that's ChatGPT, Canva, and even, ironically, the outage tracking site Down Detector was taken down temporarily. The error message you're seeing is simply Cloudflare's security system breaking down globally. That system is designed to verify you're a human, but because of the outage, the check itself is failing. This is a server-side problem, not your computer's fault. So, the real fix is waiting for Cloudflare to fully resolve their issues. They are aware and investigating, but until then, here are the 3 best things you can try right now that may bypass the broken check. Fix number 1 is a hard refresh. This forces your browser to download fresh copies of the website's files, not cached ones. On Windows, that's Control plus F5. On Mac, it's Command plus Shift plus R. If that doesn't work, clear the cookies and cache specifically for the site you're trying to visit, like X or ChatGPT. Fix number 2 is check your extensions. Ad blockers, anti-trackers, or privacy extensions are often the main culprit that interferes with Cloudflare's security checks. Try temporarily disabling all of them. Or, much faster, just open the website in a private or incognito window. Fix number 3 is change your location. Because these outages can hit different geographical data centers harder than others, sometimes simply viewing the site from a different country or city can bypass the broken challenge. This is where a VPN comes in. I personally recommend using NordVPN for this, because it allows you to instantly switch your connection to dozens of different servers worldwide. If the New York Cloudflare server is down, you can instantly hop to a London server and see if the website loads there. It's an essential tool for privacy, security, and getting around issues like this. I've put a link to NordVPN down in the description below, where you can get a special discount